Hi guys, thank you for choosing to watch our video today. This is going to be a quick video, not really a how-to do, but what you could use to stretch your chain link fence fabric. This works out great, and I'll tell you quickly how this works. And sorry I haven't been posting videos lately, but I will be posting more soon. And please subscribe, and you'll be notified when we have some more videos that you may enjoy. So, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. If this has helped you in any way, leave a comment and share. Okay, so this is what I want to show you guys today. Now, what I used is just these called Pittsburgh ratchet bar clamps. Now this is a 12-inch clamp, and great thing, it's lifetime warranty. So I know that most people have some of these. So here, let me show you what I did. Okay, so what I did first is I went on the top, and if you can see here, these are zip ties. Now you could use the actual aluminum little ties, I guess that's what they're called, but the thing is, when you try to slide them on the bar, it actually snags. I tried that and it wasn't working for me, so I use these zip ties, and they're more smoother, so they slide easier. So what I did is I went like every, I don't know, about every 4 feet, as you can see, I put these zip ties on them on the top, and it's strapped on right there, just on the top of the fabric, and that holds it up. And what I did is I went to the very end. On this side, you will put the tension rod, I guess that's what it's called, and bolt it up. I did 3 of them, which should be sufficient. This is a 4-foot chain link fence. And then what you do is you go here, and then you start like you start here and you try to pull towards the other side as much as possible. So by just pulling yourself and zip tying on the top, you're actually getting a lot of the slack out. Okay, so, and this is, I think this is about, I want to say it's 85 feet. So it's pretty long. I mean, it's going to work. I'll show you what I mean. So it's about 85 feet long, and I'm using just 2. I have 3, but I just decided to just use 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start stretching the fabric, and you'll see how this moves. And this is actually one of the cheaper ones, sorry Harbor Freight, but it's not bad. I mean, it's lifetime warranty, and if it breaks, you could get it replaced. But I mean, if you had something maybe a little bit more expensive, a little more heavy duty, it might work better for you. So with that said, in case Harbor Freight, you want to sponsor me, please feel free to go ahead and leave a comment. Be more than happy to test your tools, and I'll give an honest opinion. And honestly, this one actually, for this, it works pretty good. It's pretty strong. So I already did actually a lot of the sections. I'm just showing this one because this is my last section I'm going to do. And see, I even did this side right here. This is a short section, and this was like nothing. But this one is the longest one I'm doing right now. And here, I'll show you. I started a little bit, but here, I'll show you. I'm going to do a little more. And look how it's going. See? I'm squeezing it, as you can see. No special photography. See? And it went right there. It's perfect where it's at. It's not sliding. I'd be careful here, though, just in case it might pop out. But so far, this size of clamp works pretty good. So, and then all you do, of course, put the hardware in here. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second. I'm gonna put the hardware in. You don't need to see me do the hardware, and just to show you the tension that the whole fence has. Okay, hold on for just a moment. Okay, guys, and I'm back, and just to show you, I put it kind of loose, just so you can see that's all in there. Now, look at the tension. That's about where you want it, and I'll show you throughout the center. Here's like the center. It's good. Right here. So I'm squeezing good amount of. Yeah, see, that's good. You don't want it too tight, because then it will start to like bend your diamonds, if that's what they're called. And the ultimate test is at the very end. very end of it, right here. Look at that. I mean, I'm really squeezing pretty hard, and that's how you want it. Now I'll put the regular ties, you know, of course, after I do this video. I would say at least 12 inches. You don't probably need that long, maybe even 8 or something, maybe. I'm not sure the other sizes. But you want it enough to like cover, like from here to like at least, you know, like you don't want to have too much to sag. So this bar was like kind of like right here. So there's not that much that you needed to go from here to here. So 12 inch, I would say 12 inches is safe. If not, you could always, you know, return and get the smaller one. I don't think the price was that much difference. And actually, I got these a while ago, but man, they were under $2. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope this was very useful. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And right now, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for a second. I'll show you the screen stretcher I made. You could use it, but then you have to use straps, and I decided not to use it. I use this one, it was easier. I didn't have to mess with the strap and all that stuff, but I'll show you what it looks like, give you another idea in case you might want to try this method or not. Okay, hold on for just a sec. Okay guys, this is the one that I made before using those clamps. And what this is about a 4 foot. And I got this free. You could get this actually from like Home Depot or Lowe's. They're called, I think they're called runners, something like that. What they use it for is like on top, they use it for their pallet forks. I think that's what they're called, to put wood on top of. And then they, you know, transport it and they put straps in here. I think they're called runners. I'm not for sure, but it has a groove and they can't use it. So they basically would give it away for free. So I used this, and all I did is I put 3 hooks, you see, down the row, 3 hooks, and one, I think they call it eye bolt. And this is where you would put the ratchet straps this way, and you hook this onto the chain link mesh. And I can show you how it looks on there, but and then whatever diameter you use, you could get anyone. I think this was 5/8 if I'm not mistaken. And I put 2 sets of washers. Oops, hopefully you guys can see it. It's kind of not great footage. So you put a nut and 2 washers, and I did the same on this side, if you guys could see. And I did that for all of them. And this one I kind of just offset a little bit, if you notice that, see? Because you want this kind of in the center, so when it pulls evenly. I tried it a little bit, and I decided I like the other one better. And this one you have to get the strap and all that crazy stuff, and I don't know, it just seemed like too much work. And this one was easier. Just put the bar clamp, squeeze it, and that's it. So see how this works is that you would use this tension bar right here, just in case you guys want to use this method, this tension bar, and you would use this hook, and you just latch it like that. But of course, where it has slack. See, like that. And then this one will go down there like that, and so like that. And then this one, you would use your ratchet strap. And you could put the ratchet strap around a post. What I was gonna try to do is on my riding lawnmower, so it doesn't put tension too much on the post. But whatever, or a car, you could do that. Anything that will give it some support, so you could pull the mesh. So you could do that. It pulls it evenly. But doing it this way with these bar clamps, it was fine. I put one on top and one on the bottom. If you have 3, you could put one in the middle. Then you have it all evenly too, and all you do is just squeeze it every so often on each one, and then it brings it in and you're good to go. Okay? Alright guys, sorry this video turned out a little bit longer than I expected, but just wanted to show you this other alternative, but I would just highly recommend this one. And I think these are pretty standard, the width of these. So I don't think there's one more, you know, nubby or whatever you want to call it, but I think they're all standard, so you'd be fine with this. If you want to go to Harbor Freight and buy a couple of them, they break, replace them, lifetime warranty. You can't beat that, guys. All right, I'm for anything where we save money. All right guys, well thanks again for watching the video. I'm sorry it lasted a little longer than it did, but please like it, subscribe, and until next time, take care. God bless.